Introduce highlight features or overview summary of EMRSTORES 3-channel Wi-Fi dashcam, 4K, UHD dashcam, front and rear, dash camera for cars. There are key features include: Dashcam, 3-channel dashcam can record videos in front UHD, 4K, 3840x2160p, and rear FHD 1080p, 1920x1080p, resolution, clearly capturing license plates and road signs. With a 170 degrees front view, 120 degrees cabin view, and 150 degrees rear view, the triple dashcam ensures you never miss a moment and stay protected with 360 degrees full protection. Note: do not plug or unplug the rear camera during use, disconnect the dashcam's power first before operating. Dashcam front and rear. Enjoy fast video download speeds of up to 8 megabit per second, and the built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi gives you fast access, enabling instant access to recorded content and driving directions on your smartphone. Support simultaneous video playback in front of, inside, behind the car, and easily share your travel experience with family, friends, and social media with a single click. 3-channel Wi-Fi dashcam. With a G sensor, 4 IR lights, and WDR technology, better night vision is provided by the 4K dash camera. Uses f2.0 wide aperture with a total of 6 layers of optical lens technology, enabling the car camera to show good color accuracy and clearly capture important details day or night. Dash camera for cars. Equipped with a detachable 32 gigabit card, it offers plenty of video storage space, ensuring you capture every important moment on the road. Note: SD cards need to be formatted before first use. The loop recording function automatically overwrites the oldest files when storage is full. And the G sensor automatically detects collisions and locks the recording, protecting critical evidence from being overwritten. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.